Learn new words with their meanings too. Improve your spoken skills and build a stronger English vocabulary. Adequate, sufficient, enough to meet a purpose. Adhere, stick fast, stick to firmly. Be compatible or in accordance with. Adhesive, glue, paste, substance that unites or bonds surfaces together. Adjacent, adjoining, neighboring, close to, lying near. Adjoin, be next to, be contiguous to, border on. Adjust, adapt, regulate. Adjustment, making or becoming suitable, adjusting to circumstances. Administer, govern, supervise, give or apply medications. Administration, management, supervision. People who are in charge for management, activity of, government for powers and duties. Administrative, of or relating to or responsible for administration. Admiration, favorable judgment, feeling of pleasure, wonder, and approval.